Here we are doing Chapter 2, Year 2, Pure Mathematics Edexcel course. Chapter 2, Question 20, the mixed exercise. Sketch y equals modulus x minus 2a. Okay, well, y equals x. I guess y equals x, just on its own, would be coming straight through like this. Okay, of course we want modulus, so it's going to be a bouncing thing like this. Now, if we have to take away 2a, we get down here somewhere, which clearly needs to bounce up that way. Okay, so it would be bouncing down here, and this point here would be 2a minus 2a, of course. Okay, so what would be this point here? Well, because the slope is 1, okay, just a 1x, then that would mean that as we come across here at minus 2a, this point must be 2a. And equally, as we come up this way as well, it's still got that slope now of minus 1, but this becomes a 2a as well. Okay, so we're going to have a bouncing thing like this. So let's get that drawn in. So we're just going to have a sort of 45-degree line-ish. That's nowhere near 45 degrees, but anyway. Okay, and this is 2a, and this is also 2a. And if it was to be continuing down here, then that would be minus 2a. Okay, right. Okay, part B. Where does this equal solve? X minus 2a is equal to a third x. What does a third x look like? Well, using the graph, just to get an idea, as this comes across here, we're going to be coming across there at a third, aren't we? Okay, so it does have two solutions, one on this part of the graph, one on this part of the graph. Okay, so we can set it up as two equations, one for the positive, one for the negative, and we can say, let's do the positive first, x minus 2a equals a third x, and so as we bring the x's across, we get what? 2/3 x equals 2a, and as such x equals 3 over 2 as we multiply there. So we end up with 3a. Okay, so that would be first point out there. Then also we have to do it for the negative option. So we'll do it for minus x plus 2a equals a third x. Okay, and as we bring this across, we'll go to the other side this time. 2a equals 4 over 3x, and so what's that give us? 6 over 4, 3 over 2a equals x. Okay. Okay, on to part C. Sketch y equals a minus the modulus of x minus 2a. Well, we know that the x minus 2a is looking something like that. So that means that the minus of it is looking something like that, which then means if we are doing the adding a to it, we will then be just jumping up here like this, so that it comes up an a amount. Okay, which means we do have to work out where they are going to come through like that. So I wonder if it's going to come through the center 0. Let's have a little look and see where it comes in. Okay, so if we put in, there's the That's the minus modulus x minus 2a, okay, which of course still comes through here at 2a and should come down through here at minus 2a. But we are then going to be, instead of thinking of it as a minus that, think of it as that, but then doing a plus a onto it, which means everything moves up by an a, moves up by an a, which means we would be coming in here on minus a, coming across here and catching a. You would get up to the top there. If you wanted to, you could say that that is a, coming down here like that. So that's a, that's 2a, so this one must be 3a. Okay, I'll put this point in 2a there, and of course that extends out like this. So we're looking at the pink line as our final answer. Don't need the orange line, that was just to work things out. Don't need the green, that was just to help us visualize what we were doing. And I've written 2a in there again as well. Okay, so there it is, it's inverted and then just moved up by the plus a. Okay, I think that's it for that one, isn't it? Yep. Okay.